About this item: full function projector remote control for Optoma. No programming or pairing needed. Automatically sync to your projector. Replace your broken or lost remote control. Especially used for your projector which mounted to the ceiling. More flexible and convenient. 0.2x AAA alkaline batteries required, not included. Energy saving design for long time usage. Easy to use and operate out of box. 30 days money back guarantee and 365 days extended warranty with prompt customer service. Worry-free replacement during this period. Applicable projector models for DS211 DS216 DS216L DS316 DS316L DS322 DS323 DS325 DS326 DW312 DW318 DX319 DX619 DX621 DX623 DX626 ES521 ES526 ES526B ES526L ES529 EU531 EU536 X521 X525 ST X531 X531P X536 X536L X538 X605 ST X605 ST EDU X612 X665 UT X665 UTI X665 UTIS Pro 150 S Pro 160 S Pro 250 X Pro 260 X Pro 350